Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your eBay username. To change your username in eBay, first of all, open up the eBay application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're signed in, from the home page, tap on My eBay at the bottom. Inside the My eBay tab, look for your profile icon at the top and tap on it. This will then take you to your profile section where you'll need to tap on Edit Profile. Now tap on the Account Settings button at the top, and this will take you to this page where you can change your username. If you change your username now, you won't be able to update it again for 30 days, so go ahead and make a wise choice. Write down a new username for yourself that you want to change to and click on Save. Now you'll need to go ahead and use your email or username or with your social account to make the changes. Go ahead and sign into your account again. And right after you do that, your username will be changed. If you want to change your username again, you'll need to wait for 30 days so that you can change it again. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more eBay contents. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.